Yo, what's lekker mensen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lano as always. Welcome to Work in Progress. Today is gonna be quite a different one. Yo, bruh, the fade is not in. Yeah, today's gonna be a bit of a different one. Today we're gonna be checking out a car that I've wanted to have on the channel for a really long time, and it's the car's actually been on the channel before. You guys have seen it before, like all the other cars you've seen it before. But today we're gonna be doing a review on it. We're gonna be doing a review on the Keanan Claasen's car. The day's a bit different. This is a solo mission. I'm in Rio and I have to walk through there. But point is, bruh, we're doing this for the channel. We're doing this for the vibe. I'm doing this for you guys. So see you guys when we get to Keanan's place, and yeah, stay on for the ride. Okay guys, so while editing this video, I realized that I was kind of throwing a lot of shade to a lot of people in the video. It's not actually like shade, bruh. It was just like I won't even, yeah. But yeah, I'm sorry guys if I offend you. Like, it's not the vibe, you guys. You know my heart, guy. All the guys I've interviewed previously, guys. You know, Owen Silicon toch my heart, but so please don't get at me. And I can confirm the fade is finally in. So let's get back to this video, man. Stay lekker. Well, ladies and gents, we got here to Keanan's place. Here's the man of the match. Oh yeah. So this is Keanan's skirt. It's a Citi Rhythm, nah? That Citi Rhythm. Apparently check the man's Instagram out for that Citi Rhythm. So Keanan, this video has been coming a long while now.
Yeah,
Yeah, but the table was busy.
yeah.
Yeah, bro. You see, bro. Okay, can you please tell the wonderful people of YouTube the story on the car? How did you get the car?
Okay, so I had a Corsa that I sold back when the pandemic started. It was March.
Of course, I like.
Yeah, March 2020.
Hmm?
Yeah, then I sold it to them. I had a Corsa. Then I searched everywhere for Mk1. My color of choice was white, but I didn't get white. So I had to settle for this. And that was the cleanest one I got back then. So this is a Citi Rhythm 1.4 pure injection. Nothing has been done to it. Just John Blue line coilovers, velocity rims, baseless grill, park indicators, LED headlights.
The butt scrapper lap.
Yeah, and this is sound system.
Entire sound system. So if you guys are familiar with the channel, you would know that Keanan has been accumulating parts from every single person that I've done a video on. He got this grill specifically from Romario, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got the grill from Romario. The blue lines are from Aiden.
Yeah.
And what else? It's only those two.
Yeah, it's all.
But this one is a really nice car. I saw your car first when was it? It was the parkour video at Nictus.
Yeah.
That was the first time we actually met. That's also the first time I saw Aiden and Romario. I knew Zian from high school.
Yeah.
But it's like the first time I saw all of the cars together. So low-key, I've just been remaking the parkour video for the channel ever since. Guys, please excuse the car. It's a PG-30, man. It's Rehoboth. So dirt is everywhere. But yeah, the man is a lekker skirt, man. This car is running the Veld Runners WhatsApp group. Part scrapper lap, as you guys can see. You have this lap, Aiden has this lap, and Romario, nah?
Yeah. Maar het is KB en KB 2.0.
Yeah, it's the same lap.
Zie je net
Ja, Zian is een Cressida lap of wat?
zie je net Carabo, wat zoiets. Dat is zeker een naam.
Corrado lap.
Zoiets.
Yeah, this man is running Velos on with the 185. 195. 195, 50, 15. Yo, that's actually the perfect setup for Velos, bro.
Yeah, but it's 16550.
Is it? It will stretch.
Yes.
This one is stretch like yeah, bro. Guys, please mind the tires. Nah, It's COVID. Yeah. Yeah, bro, it's semi-slicks. We're running semi-slicks here on the car. This man is running tracks at Tony Rust in Kalani. We're not gonna show the other wheel on that side. Due to economical reasons. So yeah, like you said, it's a new spec. It's a Citi Rhythm new spec. It's actually like, I really like the color on your car. Like it's pitchy that you guys can't see it, but like, oh, you can even see mirror finish. But yeah, you guys can't see it on camera, but like it has a really like, it's like almost like a charcoal, but like with a slight blue, so like type of vibe, bro. I really like your color. And you resprayed the car, no?
Yeah, I'm not sure when, but it was last year, before last year. No, last year.
Which year was 2020 was when?
No, it's 2020. Yeah, 2020.
2020, eh?
November, I think. I'm sure.
Didn't you?
And they fucked up.
Yeah. Did they?
And that year,
Oh, yes, bro, I didn't even see that. Yeah, okay, now we're not showing that side, but point is, yeah, see, Bruno, who resprayed the car?
Oh, en auto veranderen.
Was it?
Ken je naam? Mijn broer die kan dat hebben gevraagd. Hij heeft gezegd, oh, doe een goede job.
To vertrouw je niet toe. Just trust the word of your brother. Yeah. But overall, I think like only you know that details.
Yeah.
Like me, from just first glance, you wouldn't notice it, because a lot of color cars with this color I've seen have the sunburn on the roof specifically and the bonnet. Yeah, and also sometimes it's also here on the hatch. You can see in the inside, like Arthur's City Storm. It's really yellow clear. It's not the same color, but like I've seen a lot of like just here in this area. Yeah. Oh, you're running a CTI. Spoiler. Yeah, sis, bro, I didn't even see this thing. If you guys don't know Mk1's, the Mk1's came out with a specific model. I think it was an old spec or new spec car.
The old spec.
It was an old spec car. It had what's the CTI spoiler. I think this is very similar to a Mark III Golf. It also had a similar design of a in-tuck spoiler. It's not like the R-Line. The R-Line one sits on the outside, like from Mario's now. And this one is like tucked in at your under the.
I think that was screw first.
Is it?
Yeah, you gaan it in with the
Yeah, in with the rubber in. If you guys want to see how to install one of these videos, check out LateLate Customs. I'll link it down below. But yeah, so this is the man skirt, bro. It's actually looking very like a new spec. Also clean on the inside.
Yeah.
It's like, in terms of like, yeah, there's obviously the one tear, bruh. That's on every single Citi Golf, bruh. There's one tear. This, bruh, I'm talking about this is on every single Citi Golf, bruh. I haven't interviewed someone that doesn't have that tear in their car. But yeah, you guys can see. Let me get the lighting like a new spec has a dark carpet. I also like these carpets. Yeah. Gino's car has the, what's the thing's name? The old spec, the light grey. But I like these, man. It almost looks like a pitchy Velocity.
Yeah.
Velocity also has like, this one has the dark grey as well. Is this normal?
It's normal.
Normal grey.
Yeah.
It's probably just the lighting that's making it look a lot lighter. But a very clean interior. There's some stories behind the tape. Would you please tell the wonderful people of YouTube what happened?
First, radio got stolen, so I had to DIY and make myself a new fitting for the new tape icon.
Yeah. As you guys can see, I'm not sure if this lighting is even doing it justice, but it's like this entire, if the people that know Mk1s know, the tape is usually on this area, on the top, and then there's just like a tray here on the bottom side. So, but it make it pitchy different. Also, the man is the equalizer system here. I actually thought this was like a bass controller. Like, you know, some people's bass controllers also sitting. Lekker. Yeah, let's turn it off so that the bride doesn't get copyright issues from YouTube, bro. It's still trying to get monetized on his channel. Yo, bro, the kid knob is even still lekker. Yes, man, let me focus on that. Yo, dude. Yo, normally these things are like 8 one is like.
Yeah, 8 inch, yeah.
Yeah, it's like gone, bro. Like it doesn't exist anymore. But this is lekker, man. As like you guys can see, like a new spec. Also, you have the nice size badge.
Yeah.
Arthur is like this huge truck, like a lorry badge, but I don't know if it's a caramel badge or whatever. So the yellow dog said that he saw the yellow dog fall. But yeah, that's the thing. Like we showed on the trunk, it's just a 2.6x9. This man hates his ears because this man is 212 inches. It's 12 inch now.
Yeah, 12 inch.
212 inch Pioneer Champion Series. As you guys can clearly see, this one is the older one. But it's a lekker box, man.
Yeah, I got it last week from
Is it? You made it yourself?
Yeah. DIY everything.
Yeah, brothers and that, God. It's DIY. So you made a box yourself?
Yeah, it's a ported box.
Ported 12 inch box. Lekker.
Yes.
What's your M? Where's your M sitting if this is the entire thing? Lekker, the man is what it stands like, bro. Clap your empty it down. Do you have a board behind this or it's
No,
just screwed?
just the seat.
You just screwed it on there. Does these work?
No.
Honest opinion.
No.
They never worked since the day you got them. Lekker. Bro. You know what's the funny thing? Every time I interview a Mk1, the typical Mk1 issues. Like these things never worked since anyone ever got them. Does your blower work?
No.
Lekker. That's what you want, bruh. That's what you want. That just screams Volkswagen reliability right there, bruh. You guys can see this car's not actually. Your car's not that low.
Yeah.
Because you like daily monster car.
Yeah.
So,
This is the highest it can go in the coilover with the extended top mount. I can't go any higher than this.
highest, guys, wonderful people of YouTube. This is a work in progress first. This is the highest the coilovers goes with the extended tops.
Yes.
It's like no finger cap. Like almost like pinky finger cap. It's like nothing there, bruh. Yes. But how low does it go?
Frame.
Lace frame.
Yeah.
On coilovers.
Yes. I can show you, but it's a lot of work.
Yeah, bruh, I can imagine like it's not a lot of work getting it down, but getting it back up. Yeah, that's the issue. But yeah, guys. So this is the car. It doesn't have that like camber, like a lot of camber to it.
Yeah.
Like there's like very slight negative camber, but I think that's what happens when the car gets low. Like if you make the car low in general, now. It doesn't also have that other thing I saw in Aiden's car. Like in Aiden's car, if the car is low, like if you guys watched the previous video of the one of Aiden, the wheel goes towards the front, and it is slightly going to the front.
Yeah, but that's why because of Aiden the SPX.
Mm-hmm.
So when you lower the car slightly goes forward. That gives you that look that the wheel is in front.
That the car is just moving forward. He also said something about the drop plates that he put in.
Yeah, I don't have that.
You don't have drop
If I had drop plates, I will probably be lower than this on daily height.
Damn, bruh. Yes, okay. This is the skirt, Owens. You can't, and also, I just think some people don't realize this. In Rebels, you can't really drive around with your car too low.
Yeah.
Because, like, it's not like there are no tar roads. Please, those means that want to get me. Okay, yes, means so. But yeah, it's not that the roads are not tar. It's just like some roads are just whack, bruh. It's like still a lot of like gravel road. Stones and stuff, bruh. The car looks lekker, my oh. Looks lekker. What's the engine? Look, it's the engine fail. Yes, bro. So guys, this is the engine. Bitchy fail like we said, bruh, but don't get us at that, man. See, the man is like a stock air filter. He was just telling me the story on the stock air filter thing. That he got it from a brother that had an unfortunate running. What was it? What was it? A Hilux?
Yeah, it was Hilux.
Yeah, well, yeah, Hilux drivers. You guys know who you are. But yeah, man, standard, stock standard. They also said the exhaust on the car. It didn't even show the tips, bruh.
Yeah, it's standard.
Yeah, it's like a standard. The exhaust, he said he only cut out the middle box, huh?
Yeah.
The man is just like, he just cut out the middle box. Standard tubs. This thing is like, the car is like a very different take on like the cars I've I've like whatchamacallit interviewed before.
Yeah.
Like it's like your car is very much like OEM.
Stop.
Yeah, it's like, but it's like lekker OEM. It's not like OEM to a point where it's like boring to see, but it's like it is like the sort of just like the values that you have on that airbox, bruh, and just keeping like the like a very OEM look to your car. Like the other cars, like Zian's car is old spec OEM.
Yeah.
Aiden and Romario is just not OEM in any nowhere. They're not a OEM in any way, bruh. But yeah, your car is lekker, bruh. Shorts for the video.
That's nice.
Yeah, bruh, we've been planning this video for like a month, bruh, but it's like we finally got to do it. Last time we did it, the table was bezig, Owens, please don't get at me. But yeah. So guys, that'll be it for this video, man. Once again, shouts to Keanan for doing the video. If you guys like this video, do drop a like, consider subscribing. More content is coming along on the way. Comment down below what you guys think about the paint. I actually think this is like top 3 of Mk1 paints. Like in terms of color.
Yeah.
Like it's like on my top 3. The first one I think is Aiden's. Like I saw like Aiden's like even yeah, you know, bruh, like even like Aiden's paint is like, and I know for a fact my phone didn't do that justice because we did it like when the sun was like on it, bro. It's gorgeous. And even Aiden says there's some flaws in his paint, but whatever, man. It's like top 3 on my list of like OEM paints, bruh. Gosh, like Owen. So see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share this to your bruh, share this to your auntie, share this to whoever, bruh. See you guys in the next one.